Hi guys, today I would like to show you 3 ways to pixelate your character from scratch. Now, what is pixel art? Pixel art is a very cool kind of art, which is made with squares. Yes, squares. I know, crazy. So yeah, that is pixel art. Technically, you can make cool parkour games with it, everything. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm Crystal today. It is not Alex. I am Crystal. Crystal's here today. So let's get on with it. So, first things first, you have to choose a sprite because that's what you do. Or you can always paint it, but come on. For our first one, I will be choosing a sprite, and I would like to choose. I'm going to choose the chick. Don't choose something like this guy or the money. Choose something which looks, like you can actually tell that there's shapes like this, like cheese puffs. You can see the squares. Cassie. So it's like pick something like a chick or something. So I had picked a chick. So what you can do is you can actually come to looks. Well, that's what it's called in Scratch 3.0. If we're watching this in Scratch 4.0, then congratulations. But this is what it was called in Scratch 3.0. Okay. So you can come here and you can actually scroll down to see a set color effect. Now we don't want to set the color, so we come here, we press the color, and you can actually come down here to do pixelate. And I like pixelate 30 because look, it's a little bit. Okay, that's creepy. No. 90. I don't care if it's 10. I mean 10. Yeah, like you can see the pixelated thing. So like yeah, you can. That's way number 1. Way number 2 is you can come to costumes and you can just there's 2 types of art ways in Scratch. One is where I'm gonna delete those songs if you use it. One is where I'm just gonna call it like the B is the pixel art and then the V is not pixel art. V is better for like making shapes, writing, whatever, and the V is pixel art. I mean the B is pixel art. So see you can and then I know it's a very very little pixel art, but you can just claim it. Make it smaller, make it let it go, bigger. Boom. What nice pixel art is that? And then way number 3 is you can just draw it. Like you can go to B, zoom in extremely big. Yeah, like a lot more than that. Here you go. And in Scratch, you should come with a nice 10. It's just that I've used this is the exact same one I use for practicing, so it's 5. But I would like to put it in 5. You can always put a 1 or something, and I would like to make a tiny square. Square. So, and then this is size 100. It's tiny, but you can always come down to size and make it 800. 800. Boom. So yeah, that is it. That is it for my for this how to 3 ways to pixelate your sprites in Scratch. I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Bye.